Hola, hola. Hello, hello, hello. I'm going for a walk here, and I am making this live because I'm so excited with this new project that I have. I'm wondering if I walk or if I just sit down here. It's a beautiful day, so let's see who is here. Let me turn off the notifications because... Okay, here we are. Okay. Sí, aquí estamos. A ver, let's see who is out there. Let's see if I can invite people to share here, well, this new project that I have, guys. So, I'm taking just a few walks. I have a walk right here in Mexico. It's really, really cool. The weather is awesome, actually. It's really nice. It's kind of cloudy out here. So, this is going to be quick. I am designing, I want to invite you, guys, who is out there. Say hello. Where are you tuning from? Which country? Which, it's Moneymakers Summer Bootcamp. That's what I am launching right now. And it's about feeling ourselves powerful and wonderful and, blessed and happy. And when we are in that set, when we are in that pad, we feel absolutely capable of amazing things, and that's the workshop is going to be about. We are going to be working 21 days. This is going to be 3 sessions, coaching, one-on-one. The connection is not really good. Let's see if this works better. I'm going to get closer to my home so we can have a better reception. So let me check it out, and I'm going to see if this is actually working. Tell me if it sounds correctly, if you can hear me, if you can see me, because I wanted to walk, but I think the reception is not pretty good. So maybe I'm going to just get closer to my home, so we have a better reception. Okay, so what I was saying is this boot camp is for people who wants to get their life into another level, and that means to embrace yourself, to connect yourself with yourself, to feel absolutely happy and to feel absolutely strong and to love yourself and to embrace yourself and to get into your most powerful version of you. And that version is you being happy. And once you're happy, you are going to be attracting great amounts of money. Yes, you will. So this workshop is going to be a very, very, very powerful one. It's going to be, as I said, 3 weeks, 21 days. You know that you need 21 days to set up your subconscious mind to change it absolutely in 21 days. So we're going to be having these 3 online coaching sessions, 1 hour, completely open to Q&A questions and to express ourselves, meditation and all that stuff. And also I'm going to give you material. You're going to have homework, of course, and you're going to be working with all your levels, your conscious and subconscious levels, to get you into that manifestation, into the receiving mode, receiving guidance, receiving clarity, receiving great ideas, receiving friends, opening your soul and your heart and your absolutely potential to manifest money. Yes, because we want the manifestations. We love the manifestations. We love to feel good, but we love to see the manifestations. So let's stop blocking ourselves and let's start receiving. Let's open our soul and our heart into that pad, and we're going to be, receiving a lot of money. So if you want to know the details, please put the money signs on this live. I will put a link up here in a few minutes. And if you want more info, I will love to have you. This is going to be a boot camp. It's going to be, as I said, 21 days, absolutely access to me as a coach and to material and PDF and homework that I will leave you in those workshops. We're going to be doing this by Zoom, okay? And it's going to be a closed workshop. It's going to be for only, I don't know if I'm going to open it for 15 or 20, but that depends on the answer that you give me today. I want to see how many people is actually committed to work it out in 21 days, okay? And it's going to be one-time payment, okay? And it's going to be, as I say, absolutely absolutely closed for everybody else, open for our souls and our hearts and our minds. So if you want this to happen, put the symbols right over here, money symbols, because this is about manifesting money, manifesting great amounts of money, feeling free, feeling happy, feeling powerful. You are powerful, you are worthy, you are absolutely awesome. But that's something that you need to work it out, because we are our worst enemy, you know? We are our only limit. So we need to work that out. So we're going to do this these 3 weeks. We are going to be working all together, and we're going to be manifesting in 21 days great amounts of money. Yes, we are. So comment info, put the symbols of money, or contact me by messenger, send me a message, and let's give you, I'm going to give you the details, how much it's going to cost. And of course, I want you to be absolutely committed to this summer money makeovers, okay? Summer money makeovers. Let's manifest. Let's be happy. Let's do amazing things. We are worthy, okay? So this is Adriana Ruiz Flores, to live in balance, happiness and healing coach. Oh yeah. So send me a message. I am absolutely blessed to start this new adventure with you. So happy, blessed Friday. See you.